Adanamata. Hi, my name is Samiksha Seeram and welcome to my YouTube channel. After sitting on this idea for over a year now, I finally decided to be cringe and start my own YouTube channel. About what? అది ఇంకా క్లారిటీ లేదు. Anyway, since this is my first video, I want to tell you a little about myself. You know, interviews like tell me about yourself laga. Hi, my name is Samiksha Seeram. My close friends call me Sam, Seeram, Seelam, Meekshu, and a lot of other names that may or may not make sense to you right now. I am originally from Hyderabad, the city, the place I love and will forever be my home. I moved to the States in 2021 for my master's from SUNY Buffalo, that is upstate New York. It's also called University at Buffalo. I did my master's in management information systems and then eventually moved to New Jersey for my work, and I have been here for a little over 2 years now, and I don't know what I'm doing with my life currently. For those of you who know me through Instagram know that I am known for shitposting. The S in my name stands for those of you who don't know me, I am a content creator on Instagram, or at least I was a content creator on Instagram when I started back in 2020. But now I post random bits and pieces of my life. It's like a scrapbook of all my memories for me to look back on. I don't really have a particular niche because my ADHD does not allow me to sit on one particular thing for too long. Like, I have to try my hand at everything that I can, and of course not be good at it. Like, I'm just gonna try it to the point where I know I can do it and I'm like, move next. That should give you a little idea about where this YouTube channel is gonna go. I love dancing, painting, crafts. I love hikes. I love going bowling. Anything activity related. Basically, I'm someone who cannot stay still. I can't have my brain idle for even 5 minutes. I need to keep doing something. I'm constantly overthinking because that's one thing I'm extremely good at. I think my full-time job is overthinking. My part-time job is the 9 to 5 that I work. I love to travel, but at comfort. That is something I realized very lately. I can't do backpacking and just living out of like a bag or something. I need like a proper place to like stay. And now, for what I want to do with this YouTube channel, I don't know yet. I'm as clear as what I want to do with my life. I enjoy video editing, capturing memories just for the sake of it, not to post or anything, but I love constantly yapping off my friends' ears. I thought, all of these qualify to be a YouTuber, I guess. I don't know. But why yap off one person's ear when I can yap off maybe hundreds, right? And be annoying to 100 people rather than being annoying to one person. So here I am. Anyway, all jokes aside, the content I intend to put in this channel is majorly vlogs, day in my life, rants. You're gonna hear like a lot of rants because if you know me from my Instagram, you know that I can't shut up for the love of my life. So you're gonna hear me talking a lot here. It's gonna be heavily inspired from my best friend and in my opinion the best YouTuber ever, Samiksha Tumma. This channel is gonna be all of that and maybe even more. We'll know as we go. I have a small brother who is actually not very small. He's who I love fighting with, who I love annoying, who is the one who annoys me the most. Like that boy. Let me like quickly paint a picture. After 2 full months, I spoke to him recently and that call lasted 2 minutes. Adi kuda, it wasn't for us directly. I was talking to my mom and my mom had to like step away for 2 minutes. So she's like, మీ అక్కతో మాట్లాడు కాసేపు అని. In that 2 minutes, we fought so bad that it ended with him saying, ఇంకొకసారి నాకు కాల్ చేయకు, and I was like, ఇంకొకసారి నేను చేస్తే ఫోన్ లేపక్. Anyways, I love that little idiot. He is the love of my life, but he's that one person who can get on my last nerve and still, I will still be willing to give my life for him. Fun fact, I come from a family of YouTubers. My dad is a YouTuber, my brother is a YouTuber. One more thing that I get from the family. Always trying to explore. We're always trying to look for new things to try our hand at. My dad's content is mainly around vlogging. I think he basically talks while he's like riding his bike. My brother's YouTube was initially just like video game streaming, basically Fortnite. I don't think they're both continuing it anymore. My mom is a sweet sweetheart. Like, she is my best friend. She's someone who I have to tell every single day of my life. It's come to a point where my mom is like, "Nak panundi kasip na nodlishe anna," but I'm like, no, you have to listen. Like, I'm your daughter. What better work do you have than listening to your daughter, huh? No, ma'am. I tell her every single thing in my life. The trajectory with my mom kind of went like from this to this, because growing up I used to fight so much with my mom, like on a daily basis. I'm like, oh my god, woman, listen to me. I don't know what changed, but since the past 5-6 years or something, she's been my constant best friend. She's been that person who hears all the boy drama first, all the tea, all the friend breakups, every single thing. She's the first person who knows. We analyze people together, we psychoanalyze people together. I ask her what to reply. That's how close we are right now. My dad, my mom, my brother have always pushed me to start YouTube. But there's one person who's pushed me more than all these three people. That, who I already mentioned, is my best friend, Samiksha Tumma. She and I have been best friends for like a little over 10 years now. We've seen each other at our lowest lows, our highest highs. We've celebrated each other's wins, tried for each other. She's my home away from home and my biggest supporter. And she is one of the major reasons I'm starting YouTube here. So, Samiksha, I'm doing it. And if I'm cringe and people start cancelling me, this is on you. I've spoken enough. This is all for my first video. Hopefully see you guys in the next. Oh, wait. Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Do your thing, do whatever. But come back to see me again. Bye.